Mr. Rahul,
Yes, sir.
hearty congratulations on securing All India rank 3 in Electronics and Telecommunication branch of engineering in Engineering Service Examination 2020.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, it's a very proud moment for all of us, Mr. Rahul.
Thank you, sir.
Rahul, can you please tell something about your educational background, etc.?
Sir, I joined the MBM Engineering College, Jodhpur for my graduation in 2015, and it was completed in 2019. After that, I appeared for the GATE examination and engineering service examination. So, in my GATE examination, I have secured All India rank 205 in GATE 2019, and it was 216 in GATE 2020, and in ESE 2020 it was All India rank 3.
Okay. So the engineering series is a first attempt.
Yes, sir. Yeah, after 2019 it was first attempt, but I have also appeared with my final year, but at that time I was not prepared fully.
Okay, Rahul.
Yes, sir.
Well, Rahul, you are one of the topper in the GATE examination in the 2019 and 2020 also.
Yes,
How you could mold your preparation from GATE preparation to engineering series examination preparation?
yes, sir. So, sir, generally, earlier the GATE examination is used to come after 1 month after the engineering services preliminary examination. So, my starting focus was on the prelims examination only, and then I used to do the thoroughly question practice with the test series of the ACE Academy, and then, sir, I used to appear in the GATE examination. So, sir, my main focus was on the prelims in the theory part and as well as the MCQ part. Then in the remaining 1 month after the prelims examination, I used to do the test series practice.
Okay, Rahul. Now the
Yes,
marks are also out now. How many
yes, sir.
marks you have got? Prelims, mains, and interview, and total also.
Sir, in the prelims it was 312 marks, and in the mains it was 309 marks, and in the interview I got 112 marks, and the total score was 733.
Okay, good. So in the prelims, you could score good marks.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
Particularly, can I know your marks in the GS and the engineering aptitude paper?
So in the GS, as I can recall, it was 96.66, and in the technical session, it was 215.33 marks.
Okay. What was your approach as far as this GS paper is concerned, Mr. Rahul? Because there are 10 subjects totally. Normally, your electronics and telecommunication people, you are
Yes, sir.
comfortable in the 2, 3 subjects like ICT
Yes, sir.
and then engineering, mathematics, right?
Yes.
And maybe something about other subjects. What about the rest of subjects? You have so many other subjects like current affairs is there,
Yes,
ethics
sir.
and values is there, energy and environment will be there, project management will be there, quality standards, engineering, drawing, safety, all these are right. How could you
Yes,
approach
sir.
all these topics? What was your methodology?
So as you said, right, sir, generally engineers are more focused on the technical subject because their area of the specialization is technical only. So I for the GS my approach was slightly different. I segregated the GS part in the three section. In the one section, I put the 5 6 subjects which I liked mostly, and I was confident in that that I can score better. So in that section, sir, I included the environmental, uh, uh, ICT, and maths and aptitude part, along with the material basics of material science. And sir, the main area of the focus was on that only, because the most of the questions were asked from these section. So if you thoroughly prepare this section, then you can at least score like 80 90 marks. So that will be good, sir. And the mainly preparation area was, sir, I focused on the one type of notes and revised them thoroughly, and then attended the test series.
Okay, good, good. What was the approach for the mains examination? I think you people had almost a 10 months gap between prelims and mains examination. So the 10 months of time, how you have used it for the preparation?
So, sir, in the prelims and as well as in the GATE examination, we have covered the theory actual part very correctly. For the mains examination, it was not a big deal to cover the theory part, but now we have to practice the questions in the conventional manner. So I followed classroom courses strictly, and the write the main test series very strictly manner. Like I used to print the QCAP paper in the print format, and used to write the paper on those paper.
Okay. So which coaching program you have availed from ACE Engineering Academy?
Yes, sir.
Which coaching you have taken from ACE Academy?
Sir, for the ACE, I have taken the main test series program, GATE test series, and as well as the interview guidance program.
Okay. Rahul, how this ACE Academy test series and interview program helped you in cracking this exam with such a good rank?
Yes, sir. So, sir, as the UPSC always used to touch some of the area which student used to ignore or like used to leave. So, in the ACE test series, I also found those area only. Like in the ACE test series, always some type of questions always used to come, which student used not to cover. So, I found that question very helpful in the final examination. Now, coming to the interview guidance, then the panel was really similar to the actual panel, and they used to give the feedback that was also helpful in my final interview, sir.
Okay, good, Rahul. Rahul, in your
Yes.
electronics and telecommunication branch, there are many subjects. So, in your preparation, did you follow a particular sequence, prioritizing the subjects in a particular order and preparing accordingly? Otherwise, you have prepared randomly. What was your approach, Rahul?
Sir, first I tried to follow the GATE subject thoroughly because there is more weightage for the GATE subject in the engineering services preliminary paper, and it will be helpful in the GATE examination also. So it will lead to the confidence if you cover the GATE subject thoroughly. Then I used to focus on the extra subject which are there in the preliminary examination.
What are the extra subjects we have in the engineering series examination compared to GATE?
Sir, advanced. Yes. So there are like 6, 7 subject: advanced electronics, advanced communication, computer organization and architecture, material science, basic electrical, and electronic measurement and instrument. So these 6 subjects, 6, 7 subjects are there.
Okay. How could you prepare this extra syllabus after the GATE examination, Mr. Rahul?
Sir, mainly I focused on the previous year part because that can give us better idea like how in which direction they are asking the question and all. So the previous year I focused, and I took the study material from the market and I focused on that.
Okay. Uh, while preparing for the prelims, did
Yes.
you cover some part of the mains type of questions also,
No, sir.
or exclusively prepared the prelims part?
Frankly speaking, then I focused on the preliminary examination only because I was sure that if I can gain the at least 20, 30 marks as on the as with respect to the other student, then I can do the better in the mains. So I focused on the preliminary part only.
Okay. Uh, how was uh, how was your actual daily study plan, Rahul? How many subjects that you used to study daily, and how you used to revise the syllabus?
Answer for the revision, I make a like crisp notes that covers the theory as well as some good question also. So revision part was from that notes only. But like daily, I used to took the 2, 3 subject at least. And sir, one more point I want to add here, like the special strategy which I followed in the last 2, 3 months. Like I used to allot the 1 hour daily, and in the 1 hour, I used to segregate that 1 hour in the 10, 10 minute. And in the 10, 10 minute, I used to do the at least 5 question of the each subject from the each topic. So that covers the 6, 7 subject in that 1 hour, sir.
Okay, that is the approach you have followed.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
In the last, especially in the last 2, 3 months, because if you will touch in the more subject, then it will not be a problem of like recalling the formula and other things, sir. So if you will be in touch with like at least 5, 6 subject, then that will be the more beneficial for especially for the prelims examination because already the
okay,
syllabus is huge and so much competition is there in the prelims examination.
Yes, yes, that is correct, Rahul. Rahul, you said that you have prepared one short notes and that you used to use for your revision work.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how often you used to do the revision work? At what intervals of time you used to do the revision work?
Sir, mainly for the technical, whenever I used to get the time, like at least 3 4 day after, I used to revise the subject accordingly. Like for the weekly, I used to set the plan that I will do the revision for this subject, and especially when the whole syllabus got revised, then I used to revise the topic wise revision plan, because there are some topic in which we are not comfortable, so we used to focus on that topic also. So I used to write a plan that in this week I will focus on these subjects.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
What about this previous year's questions practice?
Yes, sir. Definitely, that should be the prime source of study. At least after taking the all the classes, because then only we can evaluate ourselves that we are going in the right direction or not. And also we should take them seriously. I used to attempt those previous year question as a like original examination only. Like I used to set the timer, and in the timer I used to do the questions, and then I used to check those questions that how many questions I am doing right and how many questions I am doing wrong. So the whole previous year I attempted like that only, sir.
Rahul, how many times you have solved the previous year's questions approximately?
Sir, approximately 2 3 times I have solved at least three.
Okay,
I,
okay, good,
I
good.
remember.
Did you practice only engineering service examination questions, or else you have practiced even the civil service questions also?
Sir, as in the lockdown, we are not having that much resources because our resources was at the other location. So I focused on the ACE Academy mains test series and the previous year question and the workbook thoroughly.
Okay, very good, Rahul. Rahul, when it comes to the
Yes, sir.
main examination, in the main examination, writing skills one of the key factor, isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
Could you solve all the questions within the given time in the mains exam?
Yes, sir. Time was not the major constraint for me. Like I used to do the all the questions, but there are some part or the some question which you can't solve. So no need to panic. If something is difficult, then it will be difficult for all. If you are practicing in a good manner. So I used to solve the all the questions. Some part I used to skip, which I was not able to solve. That's it.
Okay, on the day of the actual examination of mains, what was your
Yes.
approach on the day of the actual examination? In which order that you have tried the questions? Because we have two compulsory questions and three optional questions. Totally
Yes,
five
sir.
you have to answer out of the eight questions. So how did you proceed in that actual examination?
Sir, it was similar to the test series pattern only, because I practice in the test series, and then the same approach I followed in the main examination also. So in the test series, my main approach was like I used to do the small 20 mark question. There are always some 20 mark question which are not that much lengthy. So I used to do those question, and if something similar question I can attempt in that part, so I used to attempt those part also, and then I used to switch to the first and fifth question, which are compulsory question.
Right.
Yes.
Rahul, tell us something about your interview. Two, three interesting questions, your personality test.
Sir, yes. So, sir, actually, based on the GATE 2020 score, I took the admission in IIT Bombay. So, I mentioned that in the DAF also. So, my interview was more or less based on the MTech only. They asked me some practical aspects and some detailed question on the MTech. And some of question I was able to answer, and some of question I was not able to answer, which was obvious because they used to ask some out of box question also. So that was my interview. So more or less, it was based on the MTech only.
Most of the questions were based on the MTech.
Yes, sir.
So how many marks you have said you have scored in the interview? 100
Uh,
and
12 marks.
112 marks. Okay. Totally, how many questions you have answered correctly in the interview? Approximately.
Approximately, sir, I was able to answer 75 to 80% question only, and
Okay.
even though we can't answer the 100% because they will ask the further question if you will answer more and more. So mainly the interview purpose is to test your personality. how you are like answering the questions which are asked. So that's not like judging our knowledge and all.
Okay, right. Rahul, did you refer to textbooks in addition to the study material?
No, sir. Mainly the material which I got in the mains examination from the ACE, that was the confined and that was the best up to mark with all the research and all the things. So I focused on that only, and I thoroughly revised that one.
So you have based your preparation entirely on the ES study material.
Yes.
So you did not find any necessity to go for any textbook.
Sir, yes, and because the material only taken from the textbook with the well and especially qualified the teacher from the ACE, so we don't need to waste our time on the textbook.
Okay, very good, Mr. Rahul. So you being the topper, can you please suggest a certain tips and strategies for the aspirants of the engineering service examination?
Yes, sir. For the upcoming engineering services 2021, I would like to suggest that firstly focus on the preliminary examination thoroughly because already sheets has been reduced. So if you will focus on the engineering services preliminary part, and you will get the at least 30 marks as compared to the other student. So you will be do very good in the upcoming part also. So
Rahul, there was some connectivity problem. Can you repeat that answer, please?
sure, sir. So, sir, as the engineering services preliminary examination is near, like the date is 18 July. So, in the 2-3 month, I would like to say the to the upcoming aspirant that focus on the preliminary part only, and mainly focus on the test series because with the test series only we can evaluate that how much marks we are scoring. We can add the some value addition from the test series. So, firstly, I would like to say that focus on the test series and revise as much as you can because the revision is the key part for the preliminary examination. Then after that you can easily do the conventional question practice. That's not a very much big deal.
Okay, Rahul. Then this prelims exam is in the July month, and the mains exam is likely to be in the month of October. So
Yes.
you come across nearly about 3 months of time for the mains exam.
Yes, sir.
So do you think this 3 months of time is sufficient for the mains preparation?
Yes, sir. I think that will be sufficient because if one can prepare the theory content and the MCQ questions very deeply and very correctly, then there will be the conventional practice question only in the 3 months, and you can do the conventional previous year question along with the test series, along with the like mains test series. So that will be sufficient, sir.
Okay. So apart from this, do you advise anything extra? Let us say prioritizing the subjects like that. Anything?
Sir, actually, try to complete the whole syllabus. But yes, there are some subjects which are having more weightage for the preliminary examination. So focus on that, and especially focus on the GS part also, because all the candidates used to take that part likely. And if you gain the like 10-20 marks in that part as an ace, so you can do better, sir.
Okay, Rahul. One last question. Uh, in your electronics and telecommunication, there are many subjects,
Yes.
right? Which subjects fetched you more marks in the examination? Which are given more weightage?
Sir, all the subjects are on the same phase for me. Like I prepared all the subject thoroughly, but especially if I will highlight, then the subject which used to come in the gate examination was my strong point and was my in the strong zone. Then I also focused on the other subject like basic electrical also was my strong point because other student used to take that subject like in the difficult side, so I focused on that subject also, sir.
Right. Good, Rahul. I
Yes.
once again congratulate you and thank you for sharing your experience. I hope these points will be very useful to the aspirants of this engineering series examination.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Thank you once again, Rahul. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
All the best to you.
Thank you, sir.